from Miss Rogers' classroom is Malia H. Malia H. Good job, Malia. Our engineer from Miss Tweed is Emily L. And our engineer from Miss Ulassi is Raylan B. We are now moving to our art trailblazer from kindergarten is Oliver M. PE trailblazer is Skyla B from Quick. And our music trailblazer is Tamise G. Great job to all of our kindergartners. All in the middle. Come scoot into the middle and Miss Tinder will come take a picture. So you start the second row. Go down here. Perfect. Come into the middle of the stage. You guys follow? Go down to the next one. Perfect. Okay, while they're doing their picture, can I have third grade students start coming up and lining up over here? Third grade, I will also need Eva Nicholson, Eden Ross, okay, Ailani Escalante, she's not here either, I don't believe. And Will Rosenberg. Third grade students listening. Third grade students listening. When I call your name, you will also stand up and just stay standing. And third grade, we can now spread out a little bit more over the rest of the stage. So let's go down, third grade. Perfect. You as an audience are doing such a great job. I appreciate you being respectful. Some of you in the front row, can you scoot down? We have the whole stage now, the whole steps, so scoot on down. Perfect. Otherwise, you're not in our video, so you want to scoot in, scoot down a little bit. Miss Tinter, do I need to move anyone? Okay.
Just a little
Keep
further
scooting in a little bit. Davian, scoot in. Okay, are we ready for third grade? From Miss LeGrand's third grade class, our trailblazer is Kenza B. Go ahead and stay, Kenza. From Miss Cassidy's classroom, our trailblazer is Jonte C. From Miss Hayes' classroom, our trailblazer is Xander G. From Mrs. Port's room, we have Soraya B. And from Mrs. Smart's classroom, I always say it wrong, is it Renai? Yeah. Renai K. Stand up, Renai. And then, and Miss Henry, did I forget yours? I'm so sorry. Miss Henry, we'll do yours next, okay? Okay. And then from Miss Evans, I have Jaquan S. And now we're going to do our engineers from third grade trailblazers. Stay standing. Our engineers will also stand up and join them. So from Miss Evans, I have Davian K. From Miss LeGrand, I have Liam T. From Miss Cassidy, I have Rita Z. From Miss Hayes, Sahasra T. And from Mrs. Quirk, Nicholas G. And from Miss Smart's class, I have Jayas F. I have a few more students still sitting because we have our gifted third grade trailblazer, Will R. From Miss Kate and Miss Jean. We have an art trailblazer from Miss Ermis for Ailani E. PE trailblazer from Coach Webster is Eden R. And music trailblazer, I have, did I say Eva? Eva N. Okay, and I think I got them all for third grade. One still sitting. What's your name, sweetie? Olivia K. Stand up, Olivia. All right, let's get a picture of third grade. If you guys all want to scoot in together a little bit closer, scoot, scoot, scoot. Fifth grade students start coming up. Fifth grade, I also need, and you can just stand on the side, fifth grade. I need Mackenzie R. I need Jazara M. Sadie S. And Lakshay B to also come up and join them on the side. And then, Miss Henry, do you just want your kids to come up with fifth grade, or do you want to do them separate? Okay, perfect. Okay, are we done with pictures with third grade? Let's give them one more round of applause. Great job, third graders. You can go sit down. And fifth graders, come on up and spread out in the middle. Try to stay in the middle. A little more difficult to do when I'm reading off a tablet instead of handing out certificates, so thank you for being patient. We're going to get started with our fifth grade trailblazers. So from Miss Kincaid's room, I have Jakia. Did I say that right? Jakia. T. From Miss Kraus, I have Sadie S. From Mrs. Pratt's class, I have Vandana G. From Miss Tuttle, I have Sophia D. Mr. Snyder nominated Chris F. and Titus O. Those are our fifth grade trailblazers. I'm going to now go to our fifth grade engineers. Stay standing, trailblazers. Kincaid's classroom. Miss Kincaid, I have Jazara M. From Miss Kraus, our engineer is Sophie G. Sophie, you have a birthday today too, right? Oh, Sunday. From Miss Pratt's classroom, our engineer is Aiden G. The engineer from Miss Tuttle's classroom is Ariana M. I have fifth grade engineer Isla T. from Miss Murray. Trailblazer. Isla, you can stand up, Isla. And then fifth grade engineer from Miss Murray's classroom is Ari. Great job, Ari. Mrs. Kate and Miss Dean nominated Lakshay B. for their trailblazer. Miss Ernest nominated Sadie S., who I think is already standing, right, Sadie? You got two this time. Great job, Sadie. PE, Coach Rich nominated Jazara M., who's also already standing. That's a great thing if you get two of these, you're doing an especially good job. And quarter three, fifth grade from Mrs. Hill is Mackenzie R. All right, we're going to do a quick picture of them. Everybody give them one more round of applause as we get them lined up in a quick picture. Okay, fifth graders, show where you're ready. All have an amazing rest of your day. Don't get up. I have Miss Henry has 2 students that I forgot to do when I did with kindergarten, or earlier with the other classes. So let's have Miss Henry to come up. Okay, so Miss Henry's Trailblazer is Ella T. This is Ella. Great job, Ella. And engineer is Kavina. Great job, Kavina. Let's do a picture of those 2. Ella and Kavina, stand up. Perfect. All right, sorry it was a little disorganized without certificates today, but you guys did such a wonderful job. Thank you, girls. You can go back with Miss Ashley. Today, you are going to gear up again for success. Work hard, do your best, and have a wonderful Friday. Don't forget to read and do some dream box over the weekend, right? All right, teachers, if you can stand up and give your